from serving her. Rather, since I do not go toward her, I shall send her there where she is, a song made of mercy. For through solace and through song, love grows and buds and branches. Within my heart the flame is born, that comes out through my mouth in singing, by which ladies and lovers are set ablaze. And the tunes are sweet and low, graceful and light and courtly, so they are learned with goodwill. For many a one would love like a tyrant, who through my fair words grows eager. Through the tongue it grows warm again, that for which I have taken such harm, that I almost come to the grave. For to the false feigners, rascals, I teach what is good for them, when it should have been promised to me. I would do so if I knew how, as much as he does who does not love. But pure love binds me, for in me there is no point of deceit, nor is there falseness anymore. For I have remained with such a lady, who never failed nor mistook. No, I love two or three, so I asked for no other, nor ever shall, as long as I live. But because you believed foolish idle people who went far away from me, they have raised me to such a clamor that they have almost shaved me of joy. My lady did not know what she did when she let me be taken from her, for she would lose one praising her, who through another does not cry out for himself. But desire sets me aflame and goes doubling each day, so much that it rises above my nose. Be quiet, fool, you will say too much. I shall not, for never was there anything, my lady, if my good faith availed me, and the time of yesteryear, if you were somewhat kind to me. If it pleased my odd art, I would wish to return to my country. Toward her wholly sets me on fire. Well, should mercy take her for it, for never did I do anything that displeased her, nothing at all small.